If you've been trying to figure out how to customize proposals for niche service industries without wasting hours on clunky templates or generic pitches, you're in the right place. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it fast, effectively, and in a way that makes your proposals feel tailored and high converting. I've tested all the most popular software out there, and I'll be walking you through my favorite ones step by step. There's even an exclusive free trial for viewers of my channel. Check the description to follow along. Let's dive in. First, start with clarity on your niche. Whether you're in pet grooming, med spa consulting, or B2B cybersecurity audits, each industry has its own language, problems, and decision makers. A good proposal doesn't just offer services. It reflects that you understand the client's world. So before anything else, list the top 3 pain points your ideal client is facing. Keep it tight and specific. Now let's jump into the software we'll be using. After testing nearly a dozen tools, this one stood out for speed, customization, and automation. Inside the dashboard, select a pre-built template closest to your service type. Don't worry if it's not an exact match, we'll tweak everything. Update the cover page with your branding, but also change the title to speak to the exact outcome your client wants. Proposal for marketing services is boring. Growth strategy to double local leads in 90 days hits harder. Use that kind of specificity. Next, the intro or executive summary. Replace any generic About Us section with a short paragraph that reflects the client's business goals. Think, based on our understanding of your dental practice's growth goals for 2025, we've created a focused plan to increase new patient acquisition through local SEO and referral automation. Make it about them. The scope of work is where people mess up by listing features. Instead, frame every section as a transformation. Don't say weekly blog posts. Say weekly blog content to build Google trust and increase organic traffic from local searches. Tie every item back to a business outcome. When you get to pricing, use tiered packages if possible. Even in niche service industries, giving options triggers comparison bias and increases conversions. Keep your package names aligned with benefits, like Foundations, Growth, and Dominate, rather than Bronze, Silver, Gold. Now here's a small trick with big impact. Add a client-specific insight slide. This could be a screenshot of a competitor's weak spot, a graph showing local demand, or even a quote from their website that reveals a pain point. It shows you've done your homework, and that alone can set you apart from 90% of competitors. Finally, include a simple call to action at the end, a clear next step, like schedule a 15-minute call to finalize your custom plan. Embed your calendar link if the software allows it. Reduce friction wherever you can. Here's the key takeaway. Customizing proposals for niche service industries isn't about writing more. It's about showing that you get the client and can solve their exact problem. Every section should speak their language, show value, and guide them to say yes. Quick recap. Start by identifying niche pain points, customize templates with client-focused language, frame deliverables as outcomes, use tiered pricing, add one personalized insight, and end with a clear CTA. And before you go, don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial in the description. It's only available for viewers of my channel and gives you full access to the software we just used so you can build proposals that actually win deals. Thanks for watching. Now go close that next client.